Oh, balls, I've got the spoon. So yes, get that great big flappy thing off the front. And yeah, do some engine takey outy stuff. Yes, I'm going to try and make it as... I'm going to try and do heavy stuff while it's actually still in the car, so it's not rocking around on the engine stand. I mean, the input shaft's already out. Yes, I think what we'll do is remove all this pipework and make a box of engine things. Still things connected. Is there things connected? Yes. There is that. Just the water pump stuff. Oh my god. Yeah, someone's gone a bit overboard there with exhaust sealer, which I question why they've used exhaust sealer on the inlet manifold. That is... Ooh. Yeah, and that's... Yeah. Oh, it's not exhaust sealer at all, it's just silicone. But too much. Oh, no gasket. That's in the waterway. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Well, I'll take that pipe off and we'll carry on. Well, until the battery dies in this, which is imminent. Bolts. Pens run out. Right, new day, coffee, new battery and camera, drain oil, remove turbo and manifold, and I'm going to remove the head whilst the engine's in the car as well, again, so it's not wobbling about when it's on the engine stand, because I've heard they are, because it's Allion cast iron, it can be a bit seized. Bit interesting to remove, so yeah, I'd rather do that in the car at a nice height where it's not going to wobble about in the engine stand. I did remove the water pump cover last night because I was intrigued at how it all worked. So yeah, oh, and clutch. Remove clutch as well. And then, yes, drain oil. I mean, dipstick is a bit interesting. That's some milky nastiness a long way up. So I think there's been some water ingress in the engine. Oh my god, it's... There's no cap on that. That's sludge. It's 13. Wobbly drive is the key. I mean, obviously, I'm doing it in the wrong order because you just take the turbo off first. But you know, it's a monument of rust. It's going to do less damage to it by angle grinding the bolts off when they're in the bench. So, yes, one, I've got a vice. So it should. There's the exhaust. Oh my god, that's heavy. So the usual procedure would be to get it onto top dead centre, number 1. But unfortunately, something in the valve train is seized, so I can't turn the engine over to do that. But it's all going to be coming apart, so it doesn't really matter. So first job is sprocket off and bolt it to this carrier thing. That'll stop the chain dropping into the sump. It's quite a good idea actually, because you need to remove the cams to do the valve clearances. And yeah, we'll do that. Is it? Yes, it's a 13. Oh, he's seized. No, snapped. Now for the fun bit. You try tickling it. You try tickling it.
No way. So light.
The bores, well, so far look lovely. There's no, oh god, I can't see. There's no ridge. In fact, there's no ridge at all. Bloody hell. I think she'll be alright. Well, no, I won't say that yet. Clutch. Well, we've made progress today. Heads off. Snapped 2 studs, which is annoying, but hey, these things happen. But I need to fabricate a thing to hold the clutch springs in to get the clutch out, because it's some strange setup. I tried to get it out without it, but it's just impossible, so do that. But disconnect a few things now, like drive shafts, and she is ready to come out. So whip that out, then it will be move on to the interior then, I think. Interior and glass. And exterior stuff like, you know, bumpers and trim and things like that. Yes, and we shall have some more fun next week. I'm busy now for the next few days. So I shall finish my cup of tea and go home